ରାଉରକେଲା ଏନ୍ଆଇଟିର 18ତମ ସମାବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଉତ୍ସବ ଆସନ୍ତା 21 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ବେହେରା ଅଡିଟୋରିୟମଠାରେ ଆୟୋଜିତ ହେବ। ଏଥିରେ ମହାମହିମ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି ରାମନାଥ କୋବିନ୍ଦ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ଭାବେ ଯୋଗ ଦେବେ। ଏ ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଆଜି ଏନ୍ଆଇଟିର ସିନେଟ୍ ହଲ୍ଠାରେ ଏକ ସାମ୍ବାଦିକ ସମ୍ମିଳନୀ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠିତ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଏଥିରେ ଏନ୍ଆଇଟିର ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ପ୍ରଫେସର ଅନିମେଷ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ, ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରାର ପ୍ରଫେସର ପ୍ରଦୀପ କୁମାର ଦାସ, ପିଆଇସି କନଭେନର ପ୍ରଫେସର ମହାବୀର ପଣ୍ଡା, ପିପିଆରସିର ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଆର୍.କେ. ପଟେଲ ପ୍ରମୁଖ ମଞ୍ଚାସୀନ ରହି ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ସୂଚନା ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିନେବା ଏହି ସାମ୍ବାଦିକ ସମ୍ମିଳନୀର କିଛି ଝଲକ। ରାଉରକେଲାରୁ ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦ ଦାସଙ୍କ ରିପୋର୍ଟ।
Press and Public Relation Committee, and on my own behalf and on behalf of NIT Raurkela, I welcome you all to this 18th convocation press meet, and I request you all, there will be a question answer time, and this is a festive, we are in a festive mood, so all questions related to only convocation we can interact. You all know that NIT Raurkela is a very old college, but a young institute, and like college and institute different, there is a difference, and we have passed on so many hurdles, and like a young person, the institute is striving hard to become the #1 institute in the country, and under this there are two visionaries in the dais. One, Professor Animesh Vishwas, Chairman, Board of Governors, NIT Raurkela, and Professor Animesh Vishwas, our beloved Director, NIT Raurkela. He is a visionary. Because of his personal effort, today we are in a position to say you that tomorrow President is coming as a chief guest to deliver the convocation address. Because of his vision, personal effort, this is possible, and we hope that tomorrow we will be listening to him, encourage our students, encourage the faculty, staff, everybody. And along with that, Professor P.K. Das, Registrar, who all the time in association with our director has helped maintaining protocol and all that. There are a lot of things happen in the background, but finally we are success, and I hope we all will enjoy tomorrow to listen to the first citizen of the country, His Excellency Sri Ramnath Kovind, President, Government of India. Now I request our Director Sir to read the press report. After that, there will be a question answer, as I have already told you.
Raurkela was established in 1961 and is one of the country's finest technical institutes. NITR is maintaining an overall NRF ranking in the top 20 institutions of technical education in engineering category continuously. Stone by stone, NIT Raurkela has grown from a single building to a mega facility that is supporting more than 7,000 people, including students, faculty, staff, and has entered into its 60th years of its existence. We are proud to announce that NIT Raurkela is celebrating its Golden Jubilee year, and NIT Raurkela is the second largest institute in Eastern India. As you all know, it is our immense privilege to inform you that Honorable President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind ji, is going to grace the 18th convocation of NIT Raurkela as a chief guest on 21st March 2021 and will deliver the convocation address. Governor of Odisha, Sri Ganashilalji, Honorable Minister of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji. Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Odisha, Sri Navakishore Das ji. Honorable MP and Chairpersons of Parliamentary Committee on Defence, Sri Jiola Rao ji. And will be conferred to three eminent persons of this country. The Institute gratefully appreciates the contribution of its distinguished citizens. I proudly announce that Institute is conferring Doctor of Science degree honorary causa to three eminent citizens of the country. That is, Dr. Kumar Mangalam Birla in recognition of his outstanding contribution towards industrial development and nation building. Dr. Pramod Kumar Mishra in recognition of his outstanding contribution to the field of public administration and nation building. Sri Sitakanta Mahapatra in recognition of his outstanding contribution in the field of Indian literature. I am sure their life and works will continue to inspire our graduating students. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly mention before you that in this convocation we are going to confer the much valued degree of NIT Rourkela. 544 BTech degree, 17 B architecture, 117 BTech plus MTech dual degree, 75 integrated MSc 5 years, 424 MTech, 125 MSc, 21 MA, 25 MBA, 4 MTech by research and 118 PhD students. In addition, we are going to award 6 gold and 70 silver medal, institute medal shall be given to the students. We also have 5 endowment gold medal and 5 endowment award shall also be given to the students. Total of 8 alumni will be conferred with Distinguished Alumnus Award 2020. Distinguished Alumnus Award are in academic and research area, Dr. Raj Kishore Paramguru, 1970 batch of BSc Engineering, Dr. Ashutosh Datta, 1985 batch of BSc Engineering. In the category of Industry and Management, Air Vice Marshal Shubham Shekhar Lahiri, 1967 batch of BSc Engineering, Mr. S.M. Vaidya, 1985 batch of BSc Chemical Engineering, Mr. Vishnu Padav Shetty, 1989 Mechanical Engineering. In the category of Entrepreneurship and Public Life, Mr. F.C. Mohanty, 1971 batch of Chemical Engineering. In the category of Contribution to the Growth of the Institute, Mr. Bharat Bhushan Mohanty, 1969 batch of BSc Engineering, and Mr. Gary Kishan, 1972 batch of BSc Engineering. With this, I thank you all.